Hi, this is the VIVO X90 Pro and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and I will make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it work. So I just wanna turn off the stay unlock screen after unlocking option and now just let's try. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the face unlock works here so fast and correct. We just unlock the device less than in half of the second. This is the good result for the face unlock. You can try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.